And that is a liner right to Caden. Out.
Out by a mile. Run faster, kid.
Who's on Caden's team?
It's Caden's the only real player here.
Yeah. And that is out number 2.
You're out by a mile. Run faster, kid.
2 pitches, 2 outs. Fair ball.
Hey, run faster, kid. Next
Out
time.
number 3. And that will end the inning.
Run faster next time.
The first one, I want to see that.
Oh, and that might be a base hit, and it is. Robert Martin, baby. Braden, remember when I said the Blazers would win the series? Would win the series? Is that strike 3? All right. Oh, my God.
Did that hit Bryson?
It murdered him. He's safe, though.
Oh my God! It murdered him! He's safe though.
Oh, Caden, that's out. Oh, let's go. Bases are loaded. And the walk in a run, 6-2. Lindo! Out. Safe. 2 outs, but 7-2. Rasbula here. Rasbula. And that's a fair ball. And he'll score. 8-2. And that should be an easy out. And we are all they need. All they need is 3 outs and the Blazers win the series. That one's gone. That's the farthest home run.
That is the farthest.
That's the farthest.
Wait, is it though?
Yeah, that is.
No, I
No,
don't
it
think
ain't. I swear that that block right there is way farther.
Yup. Danger.
Yes, sir.
8-4. That one is gone. Oh, that's a rob. Attaboy, Caden.
Should have hit it farther next time, boy.
Stinky. That one it might be gone. No, it is not.
Should have hit it
Hey,
farther next
Brayden.
time.
Brayden, remember when I said you guys would go 1, 2, 3?
One more out and we win this whole series.
Remember what I said? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Strike 3, and the Blazers are gonna take the
Say
series.
something? Hey, come back, kids. At bolts.com.
Dude, I'm gonna love it when you guys just go at 1, 2, 3 and lose the series and be the last place in the American League. I am here with Braden Queen. Obviously didn't go the way you wanted, and you forfeited, which, well, I mean, yeah.
Anyways, shut up, Malachi.
Okay, whatever, keep going.
Came into the game, hit a bunch of home runs, just couldn't put it together, man. In the field, Bryson gave up a couple home runs. I mean, I didn't do my job as a pitcher, didn't do my job in the field, so, I mean, it's a tough loss, but, we're still going to make the World Series.
Sweep!
There you go for Braden Queen. I'm here, Caden Johnson. Caden, 3-0, the Blazers. Who would have expected this one?
Sweep, easy. That team sucks.
That's it? Okay. And,
Bryson doesn't suck, but that whole team does.
okay, that is it from the SOW.
Said that about